What's the meaning of boast? Boast. Boast.
Boast. Boast. The word boast can be defined as talking with excessive pride and satisfaction about one's achievements, possessions, or abilities. When someone boasts, they are often seeking attention or validation from others. Boasting can come in the form of humble bragging or outright bragging, and it can have a negative impact on relationships if done excessively. It may also be viewed as a form of arrogance or conceit. However, in some contexts, boasting can be seen as a way to build confidence or establish credibility. Overall, it's important to strike a balance between being proud of one's accomplishments and being humble and gracious in sharing them with others.